Richmond County in central north 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Hamlet, or 9 miles northwest of Laurinburg, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and vehicle-size hail and heavy rainfall. Source, radar indicated.